Hashtag speak ever now. So what are the phrases you'd love to say in ever? So you can have a simple conversation in the language. Put them in the comments below and I'll record the videos for you. It's a promise. Whatever you want to say in basic ever, put them in the comments below and I'll get to work and I'll produce the videos for you so you can learn to speak the language better. Hashtag speak ever now. I'm waiting for the phrases. Put them in the comments below. Ever is a very interesting language. Check this out. Now, dog is avu. For a long time is vu. To shake is vuvu. And to tear is vuvu. So if you wanted to say, this dog shook the cloth for a long time and the cloth got torn, you say, avuya vuvu avoya vu. Ye avoya vuvu. Avoya vuvu avoya vu. Ye avoya vuvu. Try this. I told you this language is very interesting. How do you say, do you love me in ever? Hi, welcome to the class. Now, do you love me is eloma. Eloma. Do you love me? And I want to say, yes, I love you. Emelonwo. Emelonwo. No, I don't love you. Ao, yemelonwo. Ao, yemelonwo. All right. So, do you love me? Eloma. Yes, I love you. Emelonwo. No, I don't love you. Ao, yemelonwo. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video.
If you are watching this video, I'll be very grateful if you can share it to this gentleman. His name is Kafuide. I don't know if I've mentioned the name right. I'm sorry. But I appreciate this man very well. The way he's trying to teach the younger generation and the entire public his language is adorable. The first time I saw him on Facebook, he was teaching ABCD in ever, and I loved it. A lot of people, when they complete GHS or tertiary, they feel shy to speak their local language, and they think that it's too local. How can you speak this? Ufre krasiana. Hey, where do you want to try you? Akwenuma fu. They will be insulting you because you are trying to speak your local language. So the first time I saw this man on Facebook, I said, wow. This gentleman needs a recommendation. I appreciate whatever he's doing. You can tag him and send this video to him that whatever he's doing, he's trying to teach people the ever. Tell him that I love him so much and I love the language. Say obia betumi ayesade we bi na wachire ne krom kasa. Nke ebeye fese se obia ebechire ni krom kasa anase se obia ede kasa no ni krom kasa ebesi nani so hunu se me krom kasa ni eye kasa ye wo metum enti yesese me manu ehia me se ye ne sa ebebo yi pa. First time as I said them kind, first time I'm hu papa ne se ochre eve kasa no e wo Facebook no manage and I'm follow ni page no if you say page we be say na follow a usua different things usua nyoma pi e wo ho okan 1 2 3 na oka I love you no oka chese oka eve kasa no de babrofum oka eve kasa no na de so very nice enipa bebre ya kanfo twifo santefo fri kumase ha pa bi ofre buakwa ana abuaka se paase kumase pa o okon kan ya na oka mindi benda den de chese kasa wo kan no utwira kora enye yi what I say anti ye kasa de e yade bi a masua akan kasa e wo kwa me nkromasuapon ni mu 4 years anti minim kasa so faso kasa ye ade bi a se ujai a orefi ujai kasa wo reden efi na wan kan yie so obu ha omufri ha kohyia mu a wo kan say we de oni abrowa na tena ye wo hwe nanum afu papa chese oni abrowa na tena ye kasa no okan no woka say we de nanum afu ye na kurase ni be ne obubu be nyina abrowa ba na omo yesa wan hwe ni a ebe discourage you ebebu abam emo wani nye ho na se minya kwanya eko sehwi asanwe so na de bakwa mani giye ewo ho ne se sehwifo no eto da bia omo de om krom kasa sehwi kasa no na omo de ka news nom de ma information center nom de ma announcement say wow mani agi papa esan say mesua language e kwa me kroma sua pon mu na menim kasa so mfa so enti no mehunu say ekrobia ni wura fi ne kasa ana say ekrobia na oja ne kasa to on kasa esei kasa eyira enti wan kan wura fi enu nti na sawahwa China for e de o kasa na ba ha yesua ewo kwa me kroma sua pon universities ni nyina no dodo na musua Chinese e kasa French kasa de me gidi se mo ne e ya adwene omo keji wo keji ye wo JSS na mo French ni ba bonjour bonsoir eni ade mardi mercredi vendredi samedi dimanche eni Monday Tuesday Wednesday days of the week no na yesua on day 3 4 omunim se omkasa no so omu jaya abeden ebejira enti omu de abaha e ma ye besua woti ase omu de abaha ma ye beden ye ba besua omkasa no ye besua omkasa no which is a kasa se oja etimu a ore da efi enti owura no nyamfo kafui de I don't know say din sa na but I'm sorry I'm trying to mention it oya de yi pa oya adwuma ewo GH1 wa wo hwe video bi afa tag no let me say I appreciate whatever he's doing. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate whatever he's doing. Or try say about my younger generation any yenye ever no ya dokasa no na yesunya. Ya dokasa no na yeden ni yesunya. Obi ha ote kasa kasa we dey tan one dey ni. Said you be say present kasa no ebe ma na ya kono. Say hwe papa we say osika Oya no why hashtag no hashtag learn ever now or speak ever now na ochire mihu ya no manage papa it's very nice say ye nyina ye betumi e de ato ye ho so say ye bema ye kasa ehun ahia ohun ye bema ahia ebeboa yi pa afi say kasa de ede pa ba wo akasa no eye odia no wan kan yi a na e say kasa die tade na pon but the moment a wo be kan yi na wo be kan na wani age ho no it's all about say wo ma wani age kasa no ma wani anye kasa no ho meka men kan say mindi jese mindi menda den jese ombua de ombua de ni dey omua de and some kan ombua de and say o kan say omua de because oba we de ni abrowa na tete no na de ni oba bo na kan twi na say there so kan ombua de na say enkran twi enye twi papa what I say enti wo kan yi ka che say ma ho keka mram ma wani nye se wo free ho hwe se wa mo ani anye se wo free ba bia obi bebu abomfia what did I make no? Someone will look down on you if you don't like respect yourself, or if you don't let them know that yes you are proud of where you are from. A lot of people will look down on you. Ombebu abomfia if you say o kasakra no asofri chese on kakasa ni ye no we die no chiche no se na kasakra no obi a o ya kani ba o kasa ombu ade mendi menda chese kasa no namba bi sa obi o se ede ni na baba wa na o kakasa na o chiche ho sa no na chese on kan yi kura wa o obi a ofri kuma o ya Asante ni pa o tinkran enkran kasa na won tin yi hwi kasa no so won tin yi brofo so won tin yi na wo koya na buy what I say. So it's a high time it's about high time we learn our local language and we feel proud in it. That shows where we are from. That shows our real identity, and that defines us. For video ya me nyina, I just want to appreciate one man, that is Kafui Day. I want to appreciate him. Say, or the kasa na tun so say, or chire eve kasa no amankrofo ide. nyankopon hira open kase oya adwuma ewo GH1 obetima check it out na afi ni program oye bia so widen wa follow nyankopon enkam ho we ye bobie 360 so na masugu so amohwe no kakra monetization process na kakra ye namu I hope say bibia tutu mu nyankopon ya adoma monetization na beba so a memo hunu dia me channel na iden edu nyankopon enkam nyina mu bye bye.